Friends, it was 2024. It was 2 in the morning. I still remember that night so clearly. I begged my father for 1,000 rupees. I told myself this is the last time I'm ever asking him for money. Why? Because I'd found a color prediction game. I had practiced on it for a whole week and I never lost once. I thought to myself, this is it. I'll invest my money and I'll be earning lakhs every single month. But reality, as it often does, hit me hard. I invested. I won once, then twice. And then, just like that, I lost everything. That day I lost all 1,000 rupees, but I also lost something far more important, my belief in shortcuts. I realized that no matter how clever I thought I was, there are always smarter people out there, just waiting to trap people like me. From that day forward, my life changed. And today, I want your life to change too. Now, this video isn't about freelancing, video editing, or go to this website, go to that website. No, this video is going to show you a picture. And if you truly understand this picture, you will make your own path. Because you'll understand how the world works, how your own mind works, and most importantly, how to break free from the matrix. The problem we all have starts in childhood. Our parents tell us, study hard, get good grades, get a good job, and earn money. And somewhere deep inside our minds, we absorb this one dangerous idea. Earning money and enjoying it is the purpose of life. This single thought ruins everything. We start studying not to actually learn, but just to score marks. We go to work not to grow or contribute, but just to earn a salary. Knowledge stays on the desk, in the textbook. It never actually enters our life. That's why we can study science until the 10th grade and still believe in ghosts. We used education only as a tool to pass exams, not as a way to live a better, more enlightened life. This leads to our first mistake, believing that money is life's only purpose. Almost every child thinks, I'm just studying to earn money later on. So they never develop real curiosity. They never learn how to think for themselves. Their entire education becomes a means to an end, not a journey of discovery. This brings us to the second mistake, the shortcut mentality. We get bored of studying and all the hard work, so we start looking for easy ways to earn. This is where color prediction apps, betting apps, and those earn 50,000 in 2 hours YouTube videos come in. And what happens? 99% of people lose their money. And the 1% who claim they earn, they're actually the ones making videos teaching other people how to earn, trapping them in the same cycle. After failing at these shortcuts, we panic and run towards mistake number 3, the safe but incredibly crowded path. We've been burned, so we seek security. This means government jobs, fixed corporate careers, anything that looks like a money printing machine. The problem is, society told the exact same thing to crores of other people. Everyone is running on the exact same road, creating a massive traffic jam. That's why your chances of success are so low. And here's the crazy part. Even if you do succeed, you're still not happy. Why? Because money fulfills your material needs, but it can never give you inner peace. So what is the solution? You have to understand this fundamental truth. The purpose of life is not money. The purpose of life is freedom. Liberation from your own suffering. Money is just a tool, a small part of that bigger journey. I want you to look inside yourself right now. Where are you weak? Where do you feel stuck? What part of your life makes you unhappy? That's where you need to focus. Fix that. Grow there. Improve your own life first. Because when you improve your own life, you become capable of solving that same problem for other people. And that, my friends, is when money starts coming to you automatically. Think about it. Real-life examples are everywhere. Fitness influencers didn't start their journey just to earn money. Most of them were either weak or overweight or unhappy with their health. They improved themselves first. They transformed their own lives. Then they started teaching others how to do the same, and the money followed. It's the same with great sports players, artists, creators. They all break their own limitations first. They dedicate themselves to mastering their craft. Then, the world rewards them for it. So here's a new philosophy for your life. Don't chase money. Chase liberation, chase growth, chase self-knowledge. Focus on improving your own life, solving your own problems. Then, use the skills and wisdom you gain to solve other people's problems. That is where real, sustainable wealth comes from. I want you to try an exercise. Take a piece of paper and write down everything you do all day. Then, next to it, write down what you could be doing to become better. If you're in school or college, don't just study to pass. Study to learn, to truly understand. When you come home, don't just scroll endlessly. Learn a new skill, improve yourself, expand your mind. When you start doing this, you're no longer a robot blindly running in society's rat race. You are actively designing your own life. And when you do that, a strange thing happens. Money will start to chase you. People will come to you and say, "Please take my money, teach me what you do, make me like you." So, stop believing everything society told you without questioning it. Question everything. Understand things for yourself. Be ready to do the real work, the work that uplifts you from the inside out. You're not here just to earn and spend. You're here to become free, to become creative, to become truly alive. If this video helped you see things differently, please share it with a friend who needs to hear this message. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.